Welcome again. This video is a continuation of the previous video where we talk about tips for a healthy liver. A healthy liver is vital for overall well-being, performing essential functions like toxin filtration and nutrient processing. This guide offers key tips for maintaining liver health through dietary choices, lifestyle changes, and preventive measures. By implementing these strategies, you can safeguard your liver and optimize your overall health. 1. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush toxins from your body and support optimal liver function. 3. Exercise regularly to maintain a healthy weight and promote liver function. Engage in regular physical activity to help maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease and other liver-related conditions. 4. Avoid high-fat, processed foods. Limit your intake of fried foods, sugary snacks, and processed foods, as they can contribute to liver inflammation and fatty liver disease. 5. Manage your weight. Aim to maintain a healthy weight through a combination of diet and exercise to reduce the risk of fatty liver disease and other liver-related conditions. 6. Get vaccinated. Vaccinations for hepatitis A and B can help protect your liver from viral infections that can cause liver damage. 7. Limit intake of over-the-counter medications and supplements. Promote liver health by restricting over-the-counter medication and supplement intake. Exercise caution and consult healthcare professionals for guidance on safe usage. Prioritize liver wellness through mindful consumption habits. 8. Manage underlying health conditions such as diabetes and high cholesterol. Optimize liver health through effective management of diabetes and high cholesterol. Partner with healthcare providers for tailored treatment plans. Prioritize liver wellness to support overall health. 9. Limit alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption can damage the liver over time. It's important to moderate alcohol consumption or avoid it altogether to maintain a healthy liver. 10. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor liver health and address any concerns promptly. Ensure liver health with routine checkups to monitor and address any potential concerns promptly. Collaborate closely with healthcare providers for proactive liver care.